welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of a new skincare line that I am trying called Plain Jane Aesthetics, and I am super excited. You know, I am on this skincare journey, this hair journey, and I wanted to try a new brand that would cater to all of my skin needs. So I'm gonna let you guys know how everything was up into the process of me getting the items. And on July the 4th at midnight, she had a restock of her items. The items sell out really quickly. I think this time she did something where it was like a purge, where she did it for 24 hours and she didn't close the site. So normally the site would close at a certain time and you wouldn't be able to order it once it sells out, but this time you had 24 hours. I think initially it was 12 hours and then it went to 24. Even though that was the case, I wanted to still get mine as soon as she opened because I wanted to be one of the first orders to go out. It took a couple minutes for the website to open back up. I think I was waiting until like 12:05ish, and then I ordered the normal to combination skincare box as well as an intensity serum and another skincare soap that's in the box, just in case I ran out between the time of this restock and the next restock. And I am just looking at the information, so y'all wondering why I'm looking at my phone so much. So her website was super easy to use. It was very fast. I knew what I wanted because I looked at the website previously. I was able to quickly check out and get my order in. So on the 5th, I did receive an email saying that my order was processing, and that was for 2 orders, because I did order 2 separate orders because I was in a rush. Like, I don't want this to sell out. I didn't realize that purge was, she was leaving the site open, so I was safe the first time, but then I was able to go back and order a second item. So on July the 17th, I received the email saying that my order was on the way, and that was for both of my orders. And she had emails going out the whole process of you getting your order. So every time you had a shipping update, you received an email about that, which is really cool because you can track the process of it. And I received my order on July the 21st. Not bad. I've ordered from skincare companies in the past, and it took over a month for my items to even be shipped. And honestly, when it comes to skincare, it's a necessity. And if I cannot easily access these items, I kind of don't want any parts, because what if I run out? What if something happens? It's important for me to have easy access to skincare items. Like, if I run out of shampoo, I can go to the store and buy some shampoo. But for me, how long it takes for you to execute and for me to receive my items is a big thing. For me to be ordering on the 4th and receiving it on the 21st, I don't have a problem with that. That was good timing for me. That means that I would be able to plan accordingly the next time she restocks. Okay, so now I'm gonna open my boxes and show y'all what we're looking like. I'm assuming the skincare box is in this one. I did get... Alright, so when I open my box, she has her cards on top with the little foam thingies. Here's my packaging slip, and this is just a thank you card, as well as a skin regimen, which is really cool because some people may not know, you know, what order you should be using. I'm gonna take these out without making a big mess on my floor. Okay, so on her website it says the normal to combination skincare box come with Charvato Sunny Delight, a skin balancing toner, a glow mask, and rose aloe moisturizer. Let's see what I have. I do have the skincare balancing toner. Here's Charvato. I assume this one is the Sunny Delight. Yep. We also have the detox mask and the tea tree moisturizer. And I told y'all that in the other package I did order an additional serum and Charvato soap bar. And here's my serum. Okay, so I did open everything. The packaging was amazing. Everything was, you know, very professional. I appreciate all the emails along the way. They helped out, and because this is a skincare line and she is hand making her products, you expect some sort of delay. I appreciate her keeping up with the emails along the way, letting you know, we're still working on the orders. If there were any delays, she emailed about that. It was a very, very, very pleasant experience. So I'll definitely be shopping again. I did see that she's about to restock within the next 7 days, so that's cool too. I'll see how I definitely will order some more stuff, even though I don't know how it's going to work yet. One of my friends uses it and I'm pretty pleased with her results, so I don't mind ordering some more. So once I get my products, I'm going to make another video showing y'all the before. Every week I'm going to do an update on the improvements that it's going to make, if any. So I'm super excited. I'm happy to be on this skincare journey because I don't really even care about makeup that much to where I want to wear makeup every day. I want to have nice skin. I want my skin to look good to where I don't use makeup to hide any imperfections. So I cannot wait to get my items. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. And of course, I'll keep you guys updated.